Good day, engineers. Let me introduce to you the basic procedures in conducting relocation survey. First is to gather data from the DENR or from the owner itself. Let's now proceed in reconnaissance survey. In geodetic engineering, a reconnaissance survey is a preliminary field investigation conducted before the actual geodetic or land survey. Its primary purpose is to gather essential information about the area to be surveyed, allowing the survey team to plan effectively and efficiently. During this phase, geodetic engineers assess the general topography, accessibility, terrain conditions, and visibility between potential control points. They also identify natural or man-made features, evaluate possible obstructions, and determine the best methods, equipment, and manpower needed for the main survey operations. Traverse survey. A traverse survey in geodetic engineering begins with careful planning. The surveyor also determines whether an open or closed traverse is more suitable for the project. Once the plan is in place, the chosen traverse stations are marked on the ground using permanent or semi-permanent markers such as stakes, nails, or concrete monuments, and each station is labeled for each identification. Next, surveying instruments such as total station are set up precisely over station 1. The instrument must be correctly leveled and centered using a tripod and a plumb bob or optical plummet to ensure accuracy. After we set up the instrument, we shot the known point using backsight. After the backsight, we proceed in foresight for our station 2. Then, we set up in Station 2 for backsight data from Station 1. Then proceeding to boundary shotting to acquire the necessary boundary data. Before we proceed to our relocation, we need to acquire first the data we needed to relocate the parcel from our traverse data using AutoCAD.
And now I walk you through the process of relocating my assignment or my task, which is the block for lot 1 using a total station step by step. So let's begin with preparation. And again, we're working with block for lot 1. So the boundary is defined by 4 lines with the following bearings and distance. So I will be using azimuth for my reference. The first corner, which is the 165 degrees, 9 minutes, 44 seconds for 0.52 meters. Second corner, 171 degrees, 49 minutes, 36 seconds for 31.008 meters. Third corner, 185 degrees, 13 minutes, 47 seconds for 23.211 meters. And last, the fourth corner, which is 177 degrees, 26 minutes, 33 seconds for 20.525 meters. So kini na azimuth no na ato ni nakuha dito sa pag-plot nito sa AutoCAD, and you can see this earlier in this video on how to gather the distance or the azimuths of the lot. So let's begin with our relocation. First, setting up the total station over a known control point, and after leveling and ensure that the instrument is in centered, and after centered, we backside to a second known point to set our orientation. So which is atong backside is 187 degrees, 7 minutes, 51 seconds. So muna to backside ato nang input sa tuwang total station, and after na to ma-input, and we'll na to ato nang kibali siya tanan na to ato ang first corner, which is our second known points. So after na to backside, starting from the first point, atong i-input to ato ang direction, which is atong corner 1, and also ato apong i-guide ang prism. As you can see the video, ang prism na ma-centered sa to ang total station to correct the locations. So once we're within a few centimeters of the target, we mark the corner on the ground, and we repeat the same process for the remaining corners, following the exact bearings and distance for each leg of the lot. And also, after all 4 corners are marked, we double check by measuring between them. The distance and angle should match our plan exactly as in AutoCAD. So with all points taken and verified, we document the work. So this includes recording point coordinates, taking photographs, and exporting the data for reports or AutoCAD drawings. And that's how we successfully relocated block 4 lot 1 using a total station. Thanks for watching, and thank you.